Today we are going to do some phrases about yours. Yours very sincerely, yours very truly. You see, you shall not be, we should. So let's see. Your very sincerely, your very sincerely, sincerely, your very sincerely, your very sincerely, yours very truly, yours very truly, yours very truly. We all know that in Greek shorthand there is no matter of lines, so yours very truly. You see, you see, you see. You shall not be, you shall not be, you shall not be, you shall not be. We should, we should, should ऐसे बनाते हैं, we should. You should be sure. So you should be sure. श्योर के लिए सिर्फ श्योर. यू शुड बी श्योर, यू शुड बी श्योर. यू शुड हैव, सो यू शुड हैव, यू शुड हैव. यू और एस की एक साथ प्रैक्टिस करो, then it will make easily. You should have, you should have, you should have, you should have, you should have. You should not have, so you should not have, you should not have, you should not have, you should not have. You think, so you think easier, you think. Don't think that is easy for everyone. Not easy for everyone, because some people writes it like you think. So there is a up down of pen. Few seconds you can take. So you think easy. You think not. You told him. You told, told के लिए टी के साथ हो, told him. You told him. Learn this, that him के लिए आप ये यूज़ करते हैं, but you told him आपको ये लर्न करनी है when you are using you phrase. or any type of phrase, him, you told him, you told me, you told me. There is a difference between him and me. Him only line of M, me M-E. ठीक है. You told me. You want to have, so everybody knows want के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, NT, मतलब कि और इसका कर्व NT. सो यू वॉन्ट, टू नहीं लगाएंगे, सीधा हैव. You want to have, you want to have. When you learn this phrase, So your and then you write the phrase in Greek shorthand. So you will write this: you want to have, you want to have. You may not be able. So you may not be able. You may ऐसे बनता है, not ऐसे बनता है, be ऐसे, able ऐसे. अब देखो 1 2 3 4 5. You may not be able. Okay. You may not be able. And everybody knows जो हम ये सारे फ्रेजेस कर रहे हैं वो इस बुक से कर रहे हैं, जो कि ग्रेग शॉर्टहैंड फ्रेज बुक है. दिस इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन द नेट. I have this old series of this book, so I don't know